Just getting a more, I guess you call it a goodbye look. Heading back to the vehicle. That's what's behind me here. It's a good hike. Sun made it back out. Not so cool anymore. That sun does do a trick even in the wintertime. Out here in New Mexico. Beautiful hike. Desert mix. I'm sorry, walking around here like I'm stumbling drunk. Desert hike with mountains. Nice little rocky climb through, up and down. Awesome. Very top is flat, really flat for a long way as far as you can see. Able to walk it for a long time. Great hike. Happy hiking, y'all.